the probably best round that way, Alan.
Yeah.
Got 3 legs on the bar.
Oh, nice.
That could be a snap photo.
Oh, too much of a queue.
I don't think so, because they're moving quite quick, don't they?
Yeah.
There you go, Rob. Hi, still look good.
Have one?
No, I'm going for chilli. I'll have a potato with chilli, please. Yes, please.
It's going to be 27.38.
Perhaps I better explain that you get 3 for 2. Otherwise it looks a bit bad, doesn't it? Typical supermarket type offer. It's going to be red hot. Yeah, you were right. It was quite ironically keeping yours warm for you because it's too hot in the first place, isn't it? Looks good. I just fancied it for some reason. Elegant wine.
Just leaving Guernsey.
Followed by one long blast on the ship's whistle and alarm bell. Once this is finished, you'll hear the voice of the captain. Please listen carefully to every announcement. Your life jacket is stored under your seat. Once you've removed it, simply place the life jacket over your head. Take the strap around your back and clip it together at the front. Pull the straps as tightly as possible and tuck away the loose ends. Attached to the life jacket is a light and a whistle to attract attention. The light is activated automatically when it comes into contact with water. Once your life jacket is on, please remain seated and wait for further instructions. For those travelling with children, life jackets will be given out by the crew. Around the ship, there are various emergency exits that will be clearly pointed out by the crew. Each exit leads to a successful slide and a life raft. Before descending the slide, you must remove any sharp objects from your pockets and take off any high-heeled shoes. These must be left on board with all your baggage. Then, simply adopt a sitting position and extend your arms and legs against the sides of the slide to help control your speed. Once it has vacated your life raft, simply wait for the Coast Guard, who will already be on their way. And for those who need extra assistance, our crew are also fully trained and equipped. Thank you for watching this Condor Ferry safety video.
As we leave St. Lee's Port, we pass Castle Cornet. Part of it looks quite modern, well, sort of 18th century, but it actually dates back to the 10th century. And you see the breakwater goes all the way out to the harbour light. We head out to sea. Oh, you can see the Herm ferry coming in. That goes across to Herm, which is just 3 miles away from St. Peter Port, but actually a world away. all the alarms are going off, that always happens. No matter how many times they tell people to turn their alarms off, actually we're not sure how to do it, so I shouldn't say it, but we tend to leave the car unlocked. So we're picking up speed now as we head into the Little Russell on our way to Poole. And now there are 2 alarms going off. As you can see, there's a nice back deck to the boat, really nice in the summer, a bit chilly now. And as you move through the boat, through the really strong door to get in, sometimes I can't even do it on my own, we go through the boat, past the snack bar, which also serves alcoholic drinks, past the duty free, more of which later, and we walk forward, you pass a sort of quiet area, the club class lounge, and then you go into the Horizon Lounge, which is where we've booked our seats.
Get in. Yeah. The allowances, look, UK bound, 4 litres of spirits, 18 litres of still wine, and 200 cigarettes. And that's not an all, that's a plus.
Yeah.
So I might get you to come to the duty free with me because we might want to get a fair bit of wine.
Yeah.
Are you going to finish your...
Right after.
I was just looking at the prices on the perfume, that's all. No, sorry. Hey, it's already...
How much?
100 quid
That's all right.
instead of 126.
Yeah. Get some if you want some.
Thank you, Alan.
Yes, which one?
I wanted to leave one back on the...
I'll just grab one.
Yeah, they normally have like little packs. I don't like all the colours in them.
No.
I'll give it a miss then. Right. With the spirits and the...
Back to our seats. These are standard seats, but you'll see they're perfectly fine. It's just it's nice to have a bit more room in the Horizon Lounge and also the ability to recline. Because it's quite a trip and inevitably you want to doze a bit. Well, we've got to Poole Harbour and we're just crossing the chain ferry now. It looks very bright. I think they must have given it a new coat of paint since last year. Many times last year it was out of service, and that does cause a real problem because To get round to Swanage or Corfe Castle, you have to go all the way up to Wareham and round. So that takes quite a while. It's a great ferry, the chain ferry. It's very quick, you get a nice view, and actually it's just a bit of fun, although in the summer the queues for it can be really quite long. We're now passing what they call Millionaire's Row, some of the most expensive homes in Europe, if not the world actually. We've seen the helicopters land on these lawns when we've been going past in our boat, quite a sight. They're lovely houses, but they're very close together and a bit ostentatious. Personally, I like more space, and my favourite one is just coming up. This one hasn't been modernised as the others have. It's still a 1930s idyll with a little boathouse, but I guess it's only a matter of time before they get to this one, although it has survived for many years in its current state. This is the back of Rick Stein's Poole restaurant. Quite a view for the diners. We're now passing Brownsea Island. It's a National Trust property. It's very beautiful and it's in the middle of Poole Harbour. It was actually the original scout camp for Baden-Powell and the scout movement, and there is a statue to Baden-Powell on the quay in Poole, which is really nice. It's quite tactile and you can go and sit on his knee, which might sound a bit odd, but believe me, it is. It's a lovely statue. Brownsea is also famous for its red squirrels, and if you've got a National Trust membership, it's free to actually get onto Brownsea Island, although you do have to pay for the ferry from Poole Harbour to the island itself.
And couples on board the vessel. All passengers, please return to your seats. Take a seat. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm trying to plan today. Oh, really? Yeah, we've been normal. Oh, yeah, not a problem at all.
We're just manoeuvring now to dock. We're almost an hour late, but given the conditions it was fine. And it wasn't anywhere near as rough as we'd anticipated. So we had a bit of a following wind, and we've got in just ahead of the storm, which thankfully is good. Docking is a tricky process, especially in this wind, but if we're using the wind to blow us on, slowly does it. I expect we'll be alongside shortly. Now everyone's returning to their vehicles, ready to disembark. It's always a bit of a mad dash, but there's no reason why it should be, really. given
Okay.
that no one's going anywhere until we dock. And being the first down to the car, it doesn't mean you're going to be first off the ferry. That just depends where you park. And the sooner you're there, the longer you have to wait. So it's a bit of a tight squeeze getting back to the cars and also getting back in. I had to climb over the seat. But so be it, I'm not
What's that?
disabled yet.
Yeah. No, it's there.
Where?
Just in front of you. Yeah.
Oh yeah,
You'll have to go through. Yeah.
It's a case of how long it's going to take them to get us off.
It ain't going to be a quick process.
Well, we're kind of at the back, aren't we? We're going to have to go all the way round.
Yeah.
And being up a deck, they're going to have to take the ramps down.
That means you've got to unload the ones below.
Yeah. Oh, well, it is what it is. We haven't got far to go. I was just put the tape across and waiting for the cyclists to get from under the ramp. There we go, I think. Can't hear the alarm though.
You would.
Incredible delay from when you press the button.
Yeah.
Health and safety, I guess. Yeah, we're going to be last but one off the ferry, are we?
Yeah, I reckon.
Some are quicker at the exit than the others.
Mm.
Oh, he's run over the chop.
Hey?
He's having to revert. Oh, nearly hit him.
What have he done?
He'd run the chops that they put under the
Oh.
wheel. I think what he'd done is simply take his handbrake off and
They shouldn't have the chops on at the moment.
they should have been taken off before
Yeah.
they dropped the ramp, surely.
Yeah.
They're all off. Oh no, sorry, they're
That must be what they do nowadays. Man, what you can on?
no. No, but it's irritating.
It was awful, very quick.
It was, yeah.
We were up there,
Yeah,
taking
exactly.
the joint.
Yeah. That's better. Anybody in the customs shed?
No.
He doesn't look exactly dressed for that trike, does he?
No.
Oh, here comes the rain. I should be very pretty through the shade
Yeah.
tonight. That's unusual. That's very unusual. facing the other way.
Probably come to pick them up.
That's true. It started raining just as we got off the boat.
Yeah.
Well, we're just off the ferry and it started to rain. We haven't got the really high winds yet, but it's tipping it down now, so. And I dare say the car park will be full in the hotel, so we'll get soaked, but
You're cheerful.
I am cheerful. I'm on holiday. Passenger terminal. And of course, because I'm looking this way, I thought they were behind me, so. I think they've got traffic light cameras on them as well as speed cameras on these. In fact, on this little stretch, you could lose your licence quite easily.
have anything set up for the evening you arrive, can you?
No.
And here we are. Ramirez. It's that close. See what the parking's like tonight. I mean, you can always get in, it's just a case of how far you've got to walk to get to the door. And in the rain, that's a consideration. Oh, is he just coming out? No. No, he was going.
Yeah, okay.
That's the one. They're all disabled. Just have to get a little soggy.
And it will go back on the card that was used. Okay? So there you go, on the first floor. Okay. Lift is 3 floors open and then right. Yeah. Scan and when you're upstairs, halfway down.
Right, you're with us
Just for
just for
one
one night.
Yeah.
Are you eating in the restaurant this evening?
Don't know yet, we'll just I was glad to be in a nice dry corridor on our way to our room.
We're going to be around the corner again.
Oh, I think we may well be. 17 to 32.
Oh, that was a bit then.
Oh yeah, we've now jumped to 38. 40. 42. Oops. Need to put the boot on, don't I? There we go.
Yeah.
Oh. Different colour scheme in this.
It's horrible.
That is a bit dull, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nice and clean though. So we dropped our bags and from our very clean, if slightly dull in colour room, we made a beeline to the bar. Well, the pub next door. It's for a bite to eat and a drink before settling down for the night. We had a very good night's sleep actually. I didn't even wake up till 9:30 and I thought we were going to be late for the picking up of the van. But we were fine, we made it, and the following day was taken up pretty much by picking up the van, going through everything, getting to know it again, unpacking, and then eventually putting our feet up at Winchester Morn Hill. So there's no real video from Friday, I'm afraid. So we'll catch you again. Now we're safely in the UK and fully on our trip. So if you like, please press the like and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll catch up with you again on the next one. But in between of these videos of our UK trip, we will be keeping you up to date with the past trip in Spain. Thanks very much.